kit is designed for moms or single dads to have open, easy conversations with their daughters about menstruation. Inside, you'll find a guided journal that walks you and your daughter through everything she needs to know about her periods and the options available. This journal was written and designed by a mom for her daughter, so there was a lot of thought and love put into this journal to make it very special and easy to understand. The kit includes 2 pad sizes, one for a light flow and one for a heavy flow, so she's covered no matter what. It also includes an extra small menstrual cup for when she's ready to explore that option, whether it's now or in the future. To help with period discomfort, there's a microwavable heating pad to help her soothe her cramps. The kit also includes feminine wipes, a silky sleeping mask, a water bottle to stay hydrated, and a discreet purse to carry her period essentials while on the go. This bracelet makes tracking your period easy and fun. You can simply move the charm depending on what day of her period she's on. These red beads signify the days of her period, and the rest of them are the other 3 cycles of her period. With this kit, we're taking the awkwardness and uncertainty of having a period and replacing it with confidence, support, and love. If you have any questions at all about these products or even how to start conversations with your daughter, please reach out to us and we'd love to help.